Hey everyone, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to create a poll on Facebook. Alright, so at the time of filming this tutorial video, you can only create a Facebook poll in Facebook groups. I know, it's always changing. I don't make up the rules, and this is just how it goes. So as you can see here, I'm on my Facebook profile. And before, when you would click on post, you would literally go to the three dots and you would find the poll option. It is not here. And then on Facebook fan pages, again, when you would go to create post, you would click on the three dots and you would find the poll option. It is not here. Now we head over to Facebook groups. This is where you can create a poll. I'm not sure why they removed it off of your profile and on fan pages, but now we can only do it in groups. So where you go to create a public post, you can click on it and then you'll see the three dots here, which means more. And there it is right there, the beautiful bars, poll. You can create a poll. So now it's going to set up something like this. So now you want to have your question in mind. And I'm just going to do like a generic question to everybody in our Facebook group. So I'm going to start typing out what the question is. Are you a... And then I'm going to put early bird or night owl. And then I'm going to put some emojis. Choose this bird here. An owl for this one. So once you've got your question up here, you want to add the options down here. So I'm literally just going to copy this and copy this. There's only two options here. All right, so I added some extra emojis. There's only two options, but if you scroll down here, you can add more options. So if you have more than three options, you can click to add more. And if you don't like one of the options, you can just click X and delete it. And if you click on poll options, it's going to give you two choices here. Allow people to choose multiple answers, allow anyone to add options. So if you don't want anyone to choose multiple answers, you would uncheck that. So I think I'm going to uncheck that because I want people to choose one or the other. And then here, if you don't want to allow anyone to add options, you want to uncheck that. I'm okay if people want to add their own options, so I'm going to leave that one on. Okay, once you are good with your post, you literally can click post, or you can schedule this for a future date. I'm okay with it going out right now. So I'm going to click post. All right, boom, there we go. The poll has now been posted on our Creative Business Success Facebook group. Now, all you have to do is wait and check out the results. Like I said, I love doing polls. It's very easy for people to contribute, to vote. They literally just click. They don't need to type anything out. It's easier for people to share their opinion. So that's why when we create polls, it gets the most engagement. So someone just typed in here, they love mornings. They've done both and settled on early bird. So just refreshed the group page here and already got one vote for early bird. So if you liked this video, if it was helpful for you, please smash the thumbs up. That would be very much appreciated. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.